It's no secret that Google uses click-through rates in their algorithm. In fact, several studies have found a correlation between expected CTR and Google rankings. Put another way, the higher your organic CTR, the higher you'll generally rank. That's because a high CTR tells Google that your page is what searchers are looking for, and they'll boost your page's ranking to make it easier for people to find. So here are a few simple ways you can get more clicks. Use emotional title tags. In other words, titles that stand out. Here's an example from Backlinko. Use short descriptive URLs. These are good for SEO in general, but they also help Google searchers see your page as a great fit for their search. Rich snippets. Rich snippets, a lot like stars, really help your site stand out in the SERPs. Compelling meta descriptions. Your meta descriptions should sell your page. And that was step 12 on how to rank #1 in Google in 2023. There is one more step to go, so keep your eyes peeled for step 13. If you want more great tips and advice regarding all things SEO, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos we upload. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.